This automation saves more than 20 hours every week, not in sales, not in marketing, in reporting and business intelligence. Yes. Most companies already have SAP and ERP system, Excel trackers, email and dashboard, yet they still spend hours of collecting, cleaning and preparing data before management can make a decisions. Okay. See, I'm going to explain you the what is the problem statement here. In most organization, business data is spread across multiple systems: sales data in SAP, financial data in accounting software, inventory data in ERP, operational data in a spreadsheet and emails. The challenge isn't getting a data. The challenge is turning the data into actionable insights. Now, I'm going to present you the solution. Basically, this is a multiple agent working together. The first agent is extraction agent. The process, this agent continuously connects to SAP, ERP, emails, tracker, database, and API. Name whatever, like Zoho book, whatever you want. It automatically collects both historical and real-time business data and stores it in own centralized data repository. Okay. Instead of employee downloading reports every day, the system keeps data updated automatically. Next one comes with the transformation agent. This is where data analyst usually spends most of the time. If you are data analyst, yes, you know the pain point here. The agent clean records, removes duplicates, validates the transaction, performs calculation, and reconciles inconsistencies. Okay. What traditionally required spreadsheet formulas and manual effort is now handled automatically. No need of getting into all those messy spreadsheets. So next thing is a loading agent here. Once the data is validated, the loading agent continuously updates the reporting layer. Dashboard remains synchronized with the business system near real time. No exports, no manual uploads, no refresh request. Next thing is a visualization agent here. I just want to show you how the agents works. In the visualization agent, instead of opening multiple reports and applying filters, management can simply ask questions in natural language. For an example, show me product wise performance for the last 30 days. So I'm asking now. See here, the AI automatically analyzes product sales, vendor purchases, customer revenue, profitability growth, and trends. So within a seconds, it generates charts, tables, and business insights. It can instantly tell you which products are performing well, which products are declining, and where profitability is improving or shrinking. So this is it. So the dashboard continuously updates the key metrics and such as the revenue, profitability, cash flow, product performances, inventory risk, and financial trends. Leadership teams always have access to the latest business intelligence through this. Now, so let us come to the reality now. Okay. Before automation, data collection, cleaning, reconciliation, dashboard updates, and report preparation consumed roughly 23 hours every week. After implementing AI agents, human involvement dropped to less than 1.5 hours per week. That's more than a 90% reduction in reporting effort. The future of business intelligence isn't building more dashboards. It is building AI agents that understand your business and answer questions instantly. So I'm Supreet, CTO of Boost My Sites AI Solutions Private Limited. If your team is spending hours of, preparing reports every week, then there is a good chance most of the process can be automated.